me, Sarah. Hey guys, it's me, Sarah.
Me, Maddie.
And this is our camera guy, Sean. He's joining us in this video today. So today we are going to be making slime out of water.
This is not fun.
We're going to be making slime out of water, Elmer's glue, and almost empty Elmer's glue, and some laundry detergent, and some water.
And this is our
Food
coloring that we're going to use.
Okay.
This has our water.
Yes. And these are the bowls we're going to be using. Okay, so
let's finish this one off first.
Mixing tool.
Let's finish this one up first.
Okay. Yeah. Let's open Madison.
How do you open that?
Mixing tools. Get the happy birthday one. You get Valentine's.
Oh, neat. Mixing tool is a pencil we're not going to use. And if you guys want to see the glue, the slime at the end.
Don't do that one.
Well, that one doesn't come out.
Yeah, because you gotta take it out. You gotta take it out.
Today we are not in our normal.
We're not in our normal place.
Yeah, we're not in our normal room. We're in Sarah's room today.
That goes to there, Sean. So, you don't need a lot then. Okay, that's plenty. That's way too much. Okay.
Where's the mixing tool?
Oh, the pencil.
So do I just turn it?
Well, first we gotta add the food coloring. Silly.
I can add my own food coloring.
I call blue.
Okay, I call red. Mine's gonna be like a pink.
Oh no, I'll call green. I'll call green. Looks like blood.
And we're gonna do 3 squirts of it. That's funny. My pencil is red. If you guys want to see Maddie's,
Oh, that looks really cool.
if you guys want to see Maddie's, she'll show it to you in a minute.
Oh, this looks so cool. I hope it actually works. This is my slime. It's really fun.
Okay, I like this one. Whoa!
I like my color a lot.
This is my slime. Well, blue and food coloring. But it's gonna be the color. More blue. Yeah, this is perfect.
Mixing it was the best part because it made different colors in the slime.
Okay, this is gonna be my color. It looks exactly like paint right now.
It does really.
But it's blood.
It looks like a light color blood.
Yeah. I have like 6 more drops.
That's good, Maddie.
So
You don't want it too dark.
this is mine so far. It's dark blue.
Mine's acting a lot like slime. This is mine. I really like it.
This is like the perfect color right now. Mine is acting a lot like slime right now. Can we mix colors? Okay.
No.
That's just not. Okay, what to now?
Laundry detergent, I think. No, she used water.
I gotta see. Okay. So if
Just
you
do,
guys
like-
so you guys can't see, but I'm about to fall off the bed right now.
Okay.
And if you guys probably know, I'm the youngest, and they're the 2 oldest.
Yeah. We're trying to. This is just an experiment. Our last hand sanitizer slime didn't work as well as we thought it would. Here, Sean, scoot up. Here,
I
Maddie,
don't
scoot over a
need
little
to.
bit. Oh, you're good. Bless you.
Ew.
Okay. So, as my slime completely stirred up, I really like it.
Yeah, I like mine.
Okay, laundry detergent. We're using all just to see if it works. Just a little bit. A little bit more. Okay, that was a little bit too
I'll
much.
be right back.
Oh, it's working, Maddie! Maddie! Oh, yay!
Stir my bathroom.
I can't believe this actually works. Look! Oh my gosh!
Yes.
It works so well. It works so well. Look, look. This is so cool.
Okay, I'm gonna start stirring. What about this? It's gonna work still.
John, look. Whoa!
Mine's liquidy. It's okay. It's just because we need to strain out your water.
And we can add more if we need to, too.
I need more glue, please.
No, you need more laundry detergent.
No, I gave him too much laundry detergent. I need more
Oh,
glue.
look at
Mine's there.
Oh! How did you do that? I need more laundry. Where's the laundry detergent? Did you spill it? So apparently Sean had a dilemma. I'm gonna add a little bit more laundry detergent. Make it like that.
Too much laundry detergent in mine spilled. So I need more glue.
Yeah, mine's turning more into
Slime?
glue, like liquid.
You need more glue.
Don't do that! Don't do it while the lid. Oh my gosh.
Yes, this works.
I'm actually kind of surprised.
Yes.
So this is our first time successfully making slime.
Yeah, successfully.
It's really fun.
I need more laundry detergent.
Dang it, I think I ruined mine. This is like... Oh wait.
Mine's turning more into liquid.
I'm definitely gonna have to wash my hands after this.
Yes. Couple squirts.
Mommy, wait, let me see it.
Are we going to
Start.
church?
Why?
What?
She should stop whatever you're doing.
So, okay. Mine's slime. Turning. Look. It's all stringy. Mine's like perfect. My hands are so.
Look at this.
Do you see mine?
You got it on my quilt, Maddie. I need a little bit. No, I don't. I need.
Why did you
I messed
put
it
so
up.
much
Where's my
laundry
pencil go?
detergent in mine?
I messed up my slime, I think.
How?
Because it's not acting like it's supposed to be acting. I should have just left it alone. That's bad. But it's not that hard to make. You just need the right ingredients. Here, I'm gonna mess with it with my hands real quick. Just to see what it looks like, because it's...
Oh, it's so weird.
It's slime. No dirt.
I can't pull it off.
It's so sticky.
It's glue.
Yeah, how do I make it not sticky?
It's glue.
I'm getting it. Sure, you need to be ready by 9:45. Hair, teeth, everything done. Room cleaned up. Okay. I can't really text right now, so I gotta be ready by 9:45. Well, we gotta be ready by 9:45.
Yeah, Maddie, I think you put too much laundry detergent in mine.
Yeah, he might have to redo his. Okay. So
Go.
here, go in. Okay, go into the bathroom. Here, let me wash my hands. Real quick.
I'm gonna. actually need some guys. I'm gonna show you. This is my first time making slime. I'm gonna see it this way. Mine works.
Is it not sticky?
I think if we could add some of this.
I might have to redo mine because mine's not.
Let me see if I can save it. Maybe sticky. So
How did you guys make yours to stay in a solid? Glue.
How much glue do I need?
Not much. No, you got red in mine.
What?
You got red in my thing.
I'm so happy I made slime.
So this is our first time successfully making slime.
Well,
so
mine
excited.
went wrong.
Well, Sean, he got too much laundry detergent in his.
Yeah, because Maddie put some.
She didn't mean to, Sean. Stop blaming her for things.
Well, it's true.
I know, but you don't have to blame her. So, Sean's remaking his.
Oh wait, this time I need food coloring. You just need a little bit of food coloring because the laundry detergent is already going to make it turn blue.
It works! Look at this. Look at this. Look! It's slime. I'm excited.
Okay, water.
That might have been too much.
Again. That's too much!
Here, add a little bit more blue.
Yes, let go. Let go, please.
It works! I'm excited. Oh, I gotta try this recipe more often. Because now that I know how to make it.
You need cornstarch.
No, you don't.
You don't need
thicker.
cornstarch.
You can. Successfully made slime.
Mine's turning into slime.
Look. Oh, yay. And it's not as sticky as I thought it would be. Like, you play with it for a little bit.
Not that much. Okay. I can start. I don't think yours is turning into slime. It is because it's thicker. It's getting thicker? Yeah.
Does it scare you whenever you hear a song that sounds like nothing else? Not at all.
Okay.
Incredibly lucky.
Oh, thicker.
Are you excited, Sean?
Okay, can I see?
Are you excited, Sean?
Yeah. This is my first time making slime.
I mean, I've made slime before, but it didn't work.
And you said, I think that's kind of weird. And then I guess you finished it.
Because I had a sleepover for my birthday, like 4 months ago, with Maddie and her sister Allie, and we tried a recipe and it didn't work. But yay, it works now.
Yeah, you had different laundry. Oh, so thick.
Look at mine. I'm gonna start yours real quick. Yours is more like slime.
It's turning. Stop.
Yours is more like slime.
Oh. Okay. Oh.
I'm gonna add a little bit more water.
Is it? Oh, it feels so good.
Is it sticky?
Kinda. It's not sticky. It's wet.
Ouch! Excuse me.
Ah.
Oh, I think I just ruined it.
So
Crap.
weird.
I just put some water in it.
This is my slime so far. No!
Why is it being ruined?
I can save it. Stir it! Quick! Sorry, you get paper towels.
So this is my slime. It's really cool.
These are my hands.
Oh wait, I think I just
My
saved it.
hands
Go
are slime.
wash your hands, bud.
They're slime.
Oh, yours is getting like slime. Let me see it.
No, it's like so heavy.
Stir. Here.
What's that?
Solution. Oh, it works.
Told you. I wanna.
Hang on, bud.
I have like the master touches.
Apparently. Your guys' are more like slime. Mine's like hard.
I wanna.
Sean has a lot more than both of us.
I wanna.
Yeah, he has. So he's doing something to it. I don't know what he's doing. Mine's like, I need more solution. Mine's like liquidy. I'm gonna restart mine because that's not.
Okay, guys, I can't exactly like get it out of the bowl to show you.
Then
But
hold it up to them.
I'm gonna do something.
Okay. Where's the glue? If I could find my bowl. Look.
So, guys, I successfully made slime.
Yes, Sean successfully made slime.
But it's really sticky, so you have to play with it.
Like a lot. I have a little bit of yours and you have a little bit of mine.
Oh, it's so heavy.
Maddie.
Maddie, you shut off the video.
Listen.
You're gonna break my iPad with the reds.
Okay, so after glue was...
Oh my gosh. Guys, look at my slime right now. It's so heavy.
Oh, okay. I need my pencil. Where's my pencil?
Oh, it's so heavy. Try to stir this right now.
That's Sean's slime right there. That's professional slime.
And this was my FaceTime first time.
Second. Where's the...
Sure, successfully making slime. My first time it didn't really work. It just turned into liquid.
Kind of. Well, I didn't add water.
They're both in 6th grade and I'm in 5th grade. I mean
Fourth.
4th. Yeah. This is my slime up close. This is my slime up close.
Stir it
It's
for
so
them.
heavy. Look. It's so heavy.
I think I just ruined it.
No, I have more. It's almost 9. So guys, we're gonna probably have to end our video soon.
She said I don't have to be ready till 9:45. And I gotta try to clean my bed. Because if I don't, my mom's gonna get mad.
Your thing happened to Sean. This is what happened to Sean. But there is a fix. I just need a paper towel.
What happened?
It's all sturdy. Go get me a
Try
paper
not to
towel.
get any more on the float.
So stringy.
Brings you his new studio album from A Room Volume 2, featuring 9 brand new songs.
It's just dropping in. There was a big piece.
Here, let me put paper towels down real quick.
See, it's happening. You just need a lot more detergent. I think I completely successfully made slime. Okay, now get me.
Where's
paper
the
towel from
so sticky?
Try to stir this, Molly. Oh my god. Oh, crap. I'm gonna try to get all of it. Try to mess with it with your hands, girl. Because your hands are dirty. Give it back. Give it back. We need more detergent.
Manhattan's choice for country and Bobby Bones in the morning. Q Country
I
103.5.
need more glue.
Finding funds for a charity, group, project is a thankless job.
It's almost
It's
gone.
usually met with short phone and even shorter face-to-face conversation. It's a lot of no's or I don't have time to listen or both. How can you cut through all that and show your
Oh
real
no!
really
Oh, really?
Good job, Maddie.
and then really show it? That's where
This actually turned into slime.
Community Generosity is a partnership between Q Country 103.5
Does this need to go in the freezer?
especially
No.
designed to cut through all that red tape and help make a difference with your charity, project, or group.
Mine's not working.
You were saying.
Telling us a little bit about you and your project, and you're off and running. Take a short step to kickstart your program or bridge the gap between fundraising.
You and Sean's are like slime.
What was that?
There's my alarm for something.
Action kit filled with
But you're like, this is better than any of the slimes that I've made.
together helping you.
Yours and Sean's are slime. Mine is like just goo.
Yep, it's slime. What makes it not sticky? Because yours are sticky and mine is not.
Sean's isn't sticky anymore.
Yeah, it is.
It's right there. How is yours not sticky?
Don't ask me, I have no idea. This is my first time making this slime. Here,
I mean, it's
I
kind of
gotta go
sticky.
wash my hands.
This is Sean's. Look at this.
I have less slime than both of y'all.
Well, Sean has the most slime.
Yeah, but you're a little bit more than
New. Oh, he just posted a new video.
Who?
Stampy. Because I subscribed to him. Because I really like what he does in his Minecraft world.
Right now, time for Amy Tells the Show, being brought to us by Match.com.
Look at this.
How do you see yours, sir?
A white horse fell in the mud.
Hold it, Sean.
Sarah, look.
Where? The bottom.
Sarah, look.
It's fine, Sean. Oh my gosh.
It's really, really sticky though. Can I put this in a bag?
Go get baggies. Go get snack baggies. So we successfully made slime. I'm excited. Mine's like a Christmas green.
Mine's like a Christmas red. And that's good because it's almost Christmas.
Yeah. It's December 3rd. Mine's exactly. Oh crap. Oh no. I'm stupid.
Yes, you are, Sarah.
Sarah. I forgot about it. Crap.
Let's keep your thing on your mouth.
You're gonna get in trouble. I'm not because it's cleaning up.
How do I get in the bag? I just clean myself off, Sarah.
Sorry.
Can one of you hold the thing? Yes, as soon as we get this.
Just put it on the. You put red in mine.
It's okay. You can always add more food. I'm getting this all over my hand.
That's why I took mine off. Where is it? Oh god.
Okay, I need this. Yeah, I need this like that. Why? Look at that.
Someone hold this, please.
Yep.
Don't worry. Remember that slime turning color slime? Sir?
What?
That changing color slime you gave me?
Oh yeah.
I accidentally had that open one night and it went on my blanket, my other blanket, and my white dog.
Oh no! The white dog must have been a disaster.
No, it wasn't. But it's still on there. And it was one of my new Star Wars blankets.
I'm sorry.
And my K-State blanket.
Trying to get it off the side.
Get away, fly!
Oh god.
So...
Stop. I'm trying to add every little thing.
Mine is like slime right there.
Okay, I need to add this part
This
in.
is slime. Look at this, people.
Sean, let me add this in.
No, I already said snack baggies, bud.
Yeah, these are snack
No,
baggies.
they're tinier than that.
Okay.
Okay, so that's yours.
Yay, slime. How is mine so sticky?
It's gonna have to be until you like play with it for a long
I'm
time.
gonna add a little bit more food coloring to it. And I might add a little bit of glitter to it too. Okay.
I know I don't want it to be sticky, and this is like how it helps mine.
Oh no no no. Oh god, they landed on the paper towel. That scared me. Would laundry detergent help it?
You can just throw it in. Don't overdo it. Okay, so wait.
I wanna see y'all's.
Okay, this is Sarah's slime.
Maddie's slime is like legit. Because it sticks to the pencil.
So, this is my slime. It's all finished.
Try to like push it down to the bottom.
I'm gonna try to play with your slime. Because it's not, oh crap, it is sticky.
Yeah.
Frick. It's underneath my nail. I can't really. Where's, I need an open top.
Listen. Where is yours? Pencil. Blue. Green.
Oh gosh.
What?
It's washable, so I'm good.
It's washable.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this in with my laundry. Please. So, sorry this hasn't really been a talkative video. It's just been really satisfying since it's our first successful time actually making slime. But
This is my slime. Sarah's. I'm not gonna touch that much.
mine's like liquidy now. What did you do?
It's not liquidy. This is. Oops. Sean's slime.
Sean's slime is in his baggie. Go get the smaller baggies, bud, because I want a smaller baggie. And I really wish I could bring slime to school. They don't allow slime in school. They allow putty.
Pretend it's putty.
But putty isn't this stringy.
But it can be in a bag. And you can like use it as a stress toy.
True. What if I put it in a balloon? But I'm gonna need more glue if I want to make more of this, which I probably will. Because look at this! It's slime and I'm excited. like once you don't mess with it for a while, it becomes like a liquid kind of. Maddie.
Yes.
Maddie.
Granger Smith happens like that at number 22. I saw a picture of Granger on Twitter.
Yay.
And he said he used to use
I'm excited. I've never actually made slime before. Maddie's is like legit slime. Mine's sticking to the bowl, and it shouldn't be. I can't believe this recipe actually worked. Here, where's my recipe book? Where's my pencil? Nope. Yes. Oh no, I got slime on my notebook.
So, I cleaned out my slime thing.
Look, slime.
This thing right here.
Did any water
No,
get
it
into
was
it?
closed.
That looks like my slime that filled. Where's the red dye?
Mine doesn't stick to the pencil that much.
Yeah. So my slime is
Sean,
pretty
listen.
much all in the corner.
Sean, listen.
Whoa. And it looks like a pea shirt thing. Kind of.
Oh, it does.
But mine's a little more stickier.
Still, mine has to be the stickiest.
So do I have to put it in the freezer now?
No. It's slime. You don't have to do anything with it except to play with it.
Like this?
So this is mine. I really like it. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna end the episode here. So,
Let's do the outro.
all the things for our all the accounts for our games is
We will leave
in the
leave
description
down in the
below.
description.
Subscribe if you haven't, and yeah,
Like
let's
this video
try to
if you
get
love slime.
let's try to get at least 1,000 likes on this video. Bye, guys.
Put a heart.